Hi guys, today's tutorial shall be the sewing part of our off-shoulder bustier blouse, which I've already made a video on how to draft it. I'm going to drop the link below. So I'm going to start my stitching from the front part. So here's my front part now. I added half-inch seam allowance all through here, and I added 1.5-inch seam allowance on the bottom and on the sides too. So I'll go ahead and remove my paper, but before doing that, I'm going to mark all the lines on my fabric just to serve as a guide for me while sewing it. My bust point line, my chest line, and my under bust line. So I'm going to remove my paper now, and I'm going to let it reflect on both on the second side. And after that, I'm going to spread my pieces on the table to show you how I'm going to put it together. These are the two sides, and this is the center front. And I'm stitching from the bottom here. Just follow the shape till I reach the upper part. I'm doing the same thing on the second part of it. After doing that, I'm going to do the same thing on the lining. So here is my back part. I added half-inch seam allowance on both sides here. This is the center back and this is the sides. I have two pieces of the lining and two pieces of the fabric on both parts. So I added half-inch seam allowance all through here, and I added 1.5-inch on the bottom and on the side as well. So I'm going to remove my paper now for me to show you how to put it together. So this is my two sides and this is my two center back. I'm going to place it on each other like so and stitch from here. I'm stitching from the bottom till I reach the upper part. Just follow the shape. I'm doing the same thing on the second part of it. Stitch from the bottom till I reach the upper part here. Just make sure the right side is facing each other, and I'm going to do the same thing on the lining. Now I'm done stitching all that I explained. This is my front part. As you can see, it's very nice and beautiful. Make sure you notch the inner part and open the seam before you iron it, which I've already done. So this is my lining for the front part. I did the same thing on it. And this is my bust area. I added interfacing to my bust area. I tripled the interfacing. So this is my back part. As you can see, this is the lining for the back part, and these are the two back parts. So make sure you trim all the excess fabric. For me to continue, I'm going to place my lining on each other like this, measure 1 inch on the bottom and trim it out. Because I'm going to use my lining to turn up my fabric on the bottom part. So I'll go ahead and place my lining on the fabric like so. Let the right side of the lining face the right side of the fabric and stitch the bottom with ½ inch. After stitching the bottom, just pull up the lining a little bit to meet the upper part here and stitch with ½ inch all through. So I'm doing the same thing on the second part of the back, and this is my front as well. I'm going to trim my lining on the bottom like I did on the front part. So place the lining on each other, fold the lining like so and measure 1 inch on the bottom and trim it out. After trimming, I'm going to place it on the fabric. Let the right side of the lining face the right side of the fabric like so. Now go ahead and stitch the bottom part with ½ inch. I'm going to stitch with ½ inch on the bottom, and I'm going to pull it up a little bit after stitching to make it align with the upper part, and stitch the neckline on both sides too with ½ inch. So I'm done stitching. As you can see, this is my back part. I'm going to make a little adjustment on the neckline for the back part to make it rhyme with the front part. Just follow what I'm doing here. So I'll just shape it out now. After doing that, I'm going to notch the neckline and turn it to the right side. And after turning to the right side, I'm going to give it a good press. I'm going to move on to the front part. Make sure you trim all the excess fabric and the lining if you have one. So I'm notching the neckline. After notching, I'm going to turn it to the right side and give it a good press as well. Now I'm done turning them out and I'm giving them a good press. As you can see, it's very nice and beautiful. This is the back part and this is the front part. So I'll go ahead and place my back on the front like so. Let the right side face each other and stitch both sides seam. Now I'm done stitching both sides seam. As you can see, this is the inner part of it and this is the outside part of it. Very nice and beautiful. So I'll go ahead and fix my zipper. Now I'm done fixing my zipper. Look how neat and beautiful it is. So I'm stopping here for today, guys. If you find my tutorial helpful, please like my video, share it to make it go viral. Leave a comment down below for me to know if you are getting one or two things from my video. Subscribe to my channel to support my channel. If you have any question pertaining to cutting and sewing, you can join me on my Facebook group, Details to Sewing, created by Akorede Adenike. I'm on Twitter and Instagram at Akorede Adenike. Please show some love by liking and following my page on Facebook at Akorede Adenike Sewing Tutorial. Till I see you in my next video, guys. Bye for now.